What's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. So I'm installing more RAM for some reason. I don't know why I need more. I really don't. The 16 gig kit, it's 2x8, so it's got two 8 gig sticks, which is this is the same set I bought a while ago for my computer when I first built it. And this RAM's been through some tough times. Same set, because you know I got two now. But yeah, we're going to install 32 gig. But no, this is not how to upgrade your RAM for free, because that's not how that works. So yeah. Okay guys, so I have the RAM right here. I'm going to show you that I actually have 16 gigs installed already. If I go to Performance tab in Task Manager, I have 16 gigs of DDR4. So I have 12 gigs available right now that I'm not using. So no, in use is 3.3 gigs. I don't know what committed means, so maybe you can let me know in the comments below. But yeah, so I recommend before you install, you need to shut the computer down. That's kind of obvious. Now I need to get the fucking side panel off and the top panel so I can fucking... That's not how that works though. Fuck, why am I tired? So, what the fuck? I just cleaned you, and you're already dusty. So I did take off the top cover, because this is a Lian-Li case. It's weird, but I took off the top cover and took off the side panel, the glass side panel. So now what you want to do is you want to reach into the back where your power supply is. In this case, mine is on the side. You want to switch it, then hold it down the power button until all LEDs or you know the computer is off. I usually hold it down for 10 seconds. Now that you know all the power is out, you are good to go. So now let's open up the RAM. Okay guys, so I have the RAM right here. I'm actually gonna have to make this more difficult than normal because pull this tab up and this middle tab up. For some reason, the way they did the RAM on here is fucking annoying as shit. Now I'm just gonna take one of the sticks. It doesn't matter how you install them. I don't know, why the fuck is it so dark in here? Come here. So this is what I'm gonna want. So you gotta make sure you line it up. In this case, it's DDR4. What the fuck am I doing? Okay guys, so I have the RAM installed. Or no, I don't have the RAM installed yet. I set up my tripod so you guys can see it better. So I need to install the RAM. So you see this, the pin right here? You need to line this up with the notches on the board so you don't fuck it all up and break the board, because I've done that before. And you can actually tell, because if you already have RAM installed, the label on here for the amount the RAM is facing this way. So I actually need to face it this way, because, you know, you need to line it up here. Push in. You'll hear the two clicks. You're actually supposed to use steady pressure on both ends, but it's kind of hard when the computer's sitting up. You will more than likely have to turn the speed down depending on the processor. In this case, I have a 9400F, so I actually have to turn it down to 266 megahertz, what the processor allows. I think it can go up a little bit higher depending on how high I go up. We're actually gonna have to sneak this between the cooler, the AIO, because it's in the fucking way again. And then just put two fingers on each end. That way it does steady pressure. Yeah, your RAM's installed. So now I got full 32 gigs of RAM that I really don't need. So I'm gonna go ahead and power on the machine and sure it worked. Okay guys, so the computer's booting up, supposedly. So we are gonna launch it as BIOS just to make sure booting. Oh, it is. So F2 for the BIOS for ASRock. I do not have this lined up for Jack. Right here it says 2133. That is the speed the RAM is at. Not XMP, it's LPX. I think XMP is something else. Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. Probably just trying to register the RAM. I think the processor only supports 32 gigs anyway. But I know that's as far as I can go. I don't think it supports 64 gigs. Hopefully it boots. Is it gonna boot into Windows? Oh, it did. Sick. And it's not any snappier. So let's see how much RAM shows up. Oh no, it's a lot snappier. It worked. Oh, that's awesome. So now all my slots are used. I have 28 gigs available of RAM. I have 32 gigs of RAM installed. That is not even needed. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like. If you guys did not enjoy the video, drop a dislike. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, I'm not going to repeat myself because I already said that. That's how tired I am. Peace out.